welcome to the channel. Today we are here with 5 Star Yachts to have a look at this rather beautiful, it has to be said, Narea NY40. What a spectacular colour, what an incredible Italian boat. So we're going to board via the transformer here. So this little device allows you to come on board, but it also allows you access back onto the pontoon, so it can go up as it is at the moment, but you can also lower it down and use it as a set of stairs to go into the water. Really, really neat. You can see we've got the carbon poles going both sides, so you can have safety rails to let people in and out. And then if I take a step back on here, you'll see there's a lovely large sun lounger there housing the engines. Extra shade from those carbon poles and that sail cover on the top. What a beautiful boat. This is Italian styling through and through. Little details like here. Serious deck gear, and look at the size of these poles. So we'll take a walk forward, admiring this beautiful inset stainless grab handle. We're actually going to go forward first, I think. Beautiful steps up. Takes you onto this very, very clean foredeck. Nothing in the way of the styling. Grab rails are here, but they're inserted inboard. You'll notice that there's light panel here, putting light into the foredeck, into the fore cabin, sorry, and an escape hatch there. Pop-up cleats, and there's an anchor hidden under here. Now I'm going to drop a little video in of that anchor popping up, because you control the anchor system from the navigation screen. That's a pretty neat anchor, I have to be honest with you. And then the hatch shuts itself down. So if I take a step here, try not to fall in, and give you a view of that looking back, it's pretty impressive. You can see that large hardtop that we spoke about earlier, that's carbon to keep the weight down. Incredible moulded glass windscreen. We'll head back down the deck. Out of interest, if you're wondering how you put the fenders on, you have these little fender clips here, because on a boat this stylish you wouldn't want to spoil it with having a rail running around the outside, but if you do want to, you can grab hold of this one here. So obviously you can adjust this table system as you like. At the moment they're both set into coffee table mode. They'll fold out and give you effectively a very, very large, if you fold them both out, dining area, like so. Probably should have pulled the extenders out, to be fair. There are, to be honest to them, there are these little leaves that you pull out to support the table leaves that I didn't do. It's just so stylish. And what a beautiful colour, sort of Aston Martin green. Probably has a proper name, but I will admit I've forgotten it. So we move a little bit further forward, supported by this big green support, holds the hardtop up, and you'll notice it's got glass sections in it, so that's going to help keep and throw light down here. Underneath these Alcantara, actually no, they are painted. You've got a Siemens induction hob. There's a big drawer fridge under here. I can pull it open. Underneath there, you've got a waste bin under there, and then I think, wrong way around, ice maker in there, and I think if I'm right, this one is the sink. There you go. But look at that, colour coded, beautifully moulded in, and that metallic, vibrant metallic green. Continue our journey forward. We'll come across these 2 helm seats. Again, a style, and there's a bit more storage underneath there. For the sake of it, there's 2 more storage lockers, either side, one there and one over there. Beautiful hand stitched leather. Narea steering wheel. Throttle controllers and a nice array of switchgear. The Yanmar engine controllers there, engine display, sorry, and then 2 glass bridge Simrad screens. So you'll notice in the video we've dropped the anchor up and down. These are the buttons you use to do that. And then on this one you've got the other bits and pieces necessary. So a couple of berths down below, beautifully stylish and typically Italian down here. So let's go and have a look. So the first thing you see is this very, very large sunken double berth. Tons and tons of headroom, absolutely tons of headroom, beautifully lined as well in this Italian fabric. Big swathe of hull windows running right the way down both sides. And then these little lockers over here are for storage, again wrapped in hand stitched leather. Massive, absolutely massive TV on the wall here. Bit more storage behind these mirrored doors. Wardrobe in there, you kind of get the idea. And I think behind this one, yeah, here you go, is your audio and AC and DC distribution panel. Again, following the Italian styling theme, look at those floating steps. That obviously leads you down 2 steps into the aft cabin, which has got 2 very large single beds, which can be infilled to make one extremely large double bed. And again, storage on the sides there. But if I come and set myself right at the back here, get an idea just how much space there is. Drawers under the bed there as well. And last but by no means least is the heads. Again, beautifully manufactured. For the sake of it, look at that tap-in set into the mirror. Again, natural light coming in through the whole windows, and then in here, behind this glass door, is a full-size self-contained shower. And below that unit there you can see the little heads is tucked away. Just so much style going on here. So there you go, I will just pop out of the heads, shut the door, head back on deck, sit in the captain's seat and say thank you very much to the guys at 5 Star Yachting for letting us have a look around this Narea. Do please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time round. Thank you very much for watching.